Well, all good things must come to an end. This is kind of an end of an era for me. This is the Miata that's been part of the video series rebuilding it, and as you can tell, everything's still running. Had a little mishap over here, just minor. It's basically a parking lot accident. But basically, I'm trading her in because I've had some life changes. I got married and had a kid, so now it's time for something bigger. But anyway, I wanted to give you guys an update and one last look. I'm going to be going to Roger Beasley Mazda in Austin, Texas to trade it in, and I'll let you guys know as far as what stock number it's going to be. As you can tell, I didn't really get a chance to drive it much, and only 137 628. But you know, everything still works. Everything's still in good shape. No leaks or tears in the top. If you've been following the video series, you'll know that a lot of work was put into this car, and a lot of new parts. And you know, I'll list the what they're asking for it once I get to the dealership and talk to the salespeople. As far as what I'm going to do in the future, well, hopefully I will get another Miata. It's just going to take a while because, well, life in general, you know, I have some things to take care of first. But my passion will always be cars, and hopefully finally get another Miata. And I'm actually going to do a different process this time. I'm going to get you guys involved. What I'm thinking about is, once I get the car, I'll put together a list of what I need to do to it and what I want to do to it, and then maybe get out on a crowdfunding platform. And if you guys really believe in the project, you know, you can help fund it, and then I'll document the build. And once the build is over, I'll just put the car up for sale, and you know, let's move on from there. You know, maybe find another car. All right. Well, I guess it's time to go, and stay tuned.